Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Our friends over at 4Patriots have sent us a 3-month survival food kit that we're going to test out. Guys, I opened this thing up and it comes with 2 massive totes, and we'll check that out here in a second, full of breakfast, lunch, dinners. And these things are pretty tasty so far. I've had the Grammy sweet oatmeal, America's finest mac and cheese before. Right now I am trying out the Aztec chili with mango. We're testing it out here in the woods, of course. While I'm cooking this Aztec chili with mango, by the way, which it smells, oh, it smells delicious. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho. Smells really good. Stay with me. We'll go back to the house, break this stuff down while I finish simmering this bad boy up. Stay with me, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in the kitchen and I've got some of the 4Patriots 3-month survival food kit laid out here. Actually, I've got 1 full tote laid out. And you guys can see how it comes. It comes in this really discreet, kind of cool packaging. Really nice and easily packable. Other companies, they'll send stuff in these big bulk cans, and it's just not easy. This stuff is well thought out. So you can see how I've laid everything out. You've got so much variety with this. I think there's 24 different recipes that come with this. That's 135,000 calories. That's a lot. That's about 7 to 8 different servings a day. So they've thought about this. And it's different. In a survival scenario, you don't want the same monotonous, non-tasty food every day. This stuff is good, and they've thought about it. One other thing in a survival scenario that you have to think about is you're not going to be thinking clearly. You want ease of use. How this stuff works is you boil water, you pour it in, you simmer it, you serve it. It's easy. And that's the thing that I feel like that keeps coming up with 4Patriots, is they just make things easy. So, and if you forget, or if there's something that comes up and you don't know how long and stuff, they actually have how to prepare each meal and the time it takes and all that right on the back here. Again, super easy and simple. They've thought about this stuff. Again, it comes in this packaging that is really nice and strong, kind of disaster stuff. They pack this stuff out in Utah, so it's packed here. It's packed with pride. You've got people that know what they're doing and care about what they do. So again, I really like that. With the proper, environment, this stuff lasts 25 years. So you can't just throw it out in the summer heat. But if you keep it in your house like this, it's going to last you a good while. 25 years, no problem. And again, the economy is not doing phenomenal. We understand that. 4Patriots understands that. They've got payment plans available, and that's what I really like about them. So guys, you guys want to see how the taste test went. Let's get back out in the woods and check that out. All right. Here's what we're all waiting on. Does this taste good? Let's try it out. God, it's good. Excuse me, that's good stuff. 4Patriots, there's a reason why they are the leader in survival food. This stuff not only is good, it tastes good, lasts 25 years. And guys, I'm not only, like I said, they sent this to me, but I'm betting my life on this stuff. I'm betting my family's life on this stuff when it comes to our preparation needs, our food needs. So check them out, see what they can do for you. Thank you guys so much. This is T-Carp signing out.